For owners of VW, Volkswagen, Skoda Octavia, Golf 5/6, Touran, Passat B6, Polo, and Jetta, the GRANDnavi to Android car radio GPS, available on Aliexpress, offers a comprehensive and modern upgrade to your vehicle's infotainment system. This device is designed to enhance your driving experience with its array of advanced features and user-friendly interface. The GRANDnavi car radio features a 7-inch high-definition touchscreen with a colorful LCD display. The screen is clear, bright, and dynamic, providing an engaging and visually pleasing interface for all your media and navigation needs. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can download apps directly to the car radio, expanding its functionality and personalizing your in-car experience. Whether you need new navigation apps, music streaming services, or other utilities, the options are endless. The GRANDnavi to Android car radio GPS not only replaces your existing radio system but also enhances your vehicle's intelligence and connectivity. With its robust set of features, it transforms your car into a smarter, more connected vehicle. The high-definition touchscreen and advanced functionalities like Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and built-in GPS make every journey more enjoyable and efficient. For VW, Volkswagen, Skoda Octavia, Golf 5/6, Touran, Passat B6, Polo, and Jetta owners looking to upgrade their car's infotainment system, the GRANDnavi to Android car radio GPS from Aliexpress is an excellent choice. Its high-definition display, extensive connectivity options, and advanced features provide a significant enhancement to your driving experience.